Hi, fifth grade. It's Mrs. Gerard again. I'm going to help you today with practice 7-6, dividing a decimal by a whole number. So today I'm going to do for you number 3 and number 7. I think will be helpful ones to do with you. And once again, I'm going to do this on separate paper so I have lots of room to work it out. So number 3 is 14.4 divided by 90. And number 7 is 562.86 divided by 59. Okay, so let's give it a try. Number 3. First, you want to bring this decimal up from where it is, and that's its new home. 90 cannot go into 1. 90 cannot go into 14. But 90 can go into 144. See, when we do this, we ignore the decimal because we've already placed it where it goes, and now this just becomes a regular number. 90 can go into 144 one time without going over. We use our mental math here. If we put a 2, we know that 90 times 2 is 180, and that's too much. We cannot go over 144. So we just put the 1, and 1 times 90 is 90, and we subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. We cannot take 9 from 4, so we borrow. It becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Now, 90 cannot go into 54, but we can't just leave the problem like this. So we're going to do what we did before, and we're going to add a 0 here. We're allowed to add as many zeros as we want because it doesn't change the value of 14.4. So I'm going to bring down the 0 that I added. I know that 9 can go into 54 6 times. So using my mental math, 90 times 6 is 540. I subtract. I have a remainder 0. So my answer is 0.16. And if you'd like to put a 0 in front, you absolutely can. Okay? Next problem. 562.86 divided by 59. 59 cannot go into 5. 59 cannot go into 56. But 59 can go into 562. And it can go in there 9 times. Don't forget, and you can do this at the end or in the beginning, but don't forget to place your decimal above where it sits in the problem because that's its new home. 9 times 9 is 81. Put down the 1, carry the 8. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 8 is 53. Subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3, and 5 minus 5 is 0. Bring down the 8. 59 can go into 318 5 times. 5 times 9 is 45. Put down the 5, carry the 4. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 4 is 29. Subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. We can't take 9 from 1, so we borrow. And it becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Bring down the 6. 59 can go into 236 4 times without going over. 4 times 9 is 36. Put down the 6, carry the 3. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23. Subtract. remainder 0. So our answer is 9 54 hundredths. Again, to check your answers, a calculator is very helpful. You would take your quotient, otherwise known as your answer, put that in the calculator, times your divisor, this number on the outside of the bracket, and the calculator should show this as your answer. If it does, you did the problem correctly. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon.